In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view multiple inboxes at once in Outlook 365. If you manage more than one email account, the key to seeing everything efficiently is to bring those inboxes into a single Outlook profile and set up a quick way to jump between them. First, make sure every account you want to monitor is added to Outlook. Open Outlook, go to File, then Add Account. Enter the email address, and follow the prompts to connect. Depending on your provider, Outlook will use Secure Sign-In, often called OAuth, or ask you to connect via IMAP. Repeat this for each account you want. When you're done, all your inboxes live in one place, so you won't need to sign in and out or juggle separate profiles. Next, let's make those inboxes easy to access. In the left folder pane, find each account's inbox, right-click it, and choose Show in Favorites or Add to Favorites. This pins the inbox at the top under Favorites, creating a compact hub for your most important folders. Do this for each account you use regularly. You can drag to reorder favorites so your most active inbox sits right where you want it. If your Favorites bar isn't visible, turn it on from the View menu so it stays front and center. For a cleaner workspace, collapse other folders beneath each account so the pane doesn't feel cluttered. With the reading pane enabled, you can switch between favorites and see messages and previews side by side without extra clicks. When you need a bird's eye view across everything, use Outlook Search. Click in the search bar and change the scope to all mailboxes or all accounts. This builds a temporary, unified list so you can scan messages from every inbox at once. Try simple queries like Received today to focus on today's mail, or Is read no to surface only unread items. You can combine terms, too, like Received this week from a specific sender. If you run the same searches frequently, save them as a search folder so they're always one click away. Search folders update automatically and live in your folder list, giving you a consistent cross-account view without having to retype anything. That's it. Thanks for watching.